Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be showing you how to make this bracket. Okay, so it's very simple. The first thing that we have to do is do this part. Okay, so if you're size small, medium, large and stuff, you have to have your measurement here, and then from there we're going to work this way. Okay, so grab your yarn and grab your crochet needle, and we are going to start from a slip knot. Okay, insert your hook. Okay, and with mine is I'm going to chain 16. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Okay, and then from here we are going to do a double crochet, so chain 3. Okay, and from the last stitch, okay, we are going to insert our hook and do the double crochet. Oops, sorry about that. Let's do that again. So 1 2 3 there, so here, okay, we have to insert and make a double crochet, and just double crochet until to the end. Okay, and you finish that, so you just have to double crochet from here until to the end, and then I'll be back and I'll show you what's the next step. Okay, so I finished the end of the row, so from here chain 3 and turn your work. Okay, and we are going to do a double crochet into the next stitch. Okay, and just double crochet to the end. Okay, so just double crochet until to the end. So you have to double crochet, you have to do double crochet on top of these. Okay, because that is our last stitch. Okay, so you have to put a double crochet in here. So just have a look, okay, that you do have your double crochet equal, because as you can see here, we have one here and then we have there, and this on top of it is one on top of this, one on top of this one. So you just have to put one in each stitch. Okay, and as I said, measure, you have to get your measurement, and you have to do how many rows do you need in here, and then from there I'll come back, and when I get my measurement, I'll come back and I will show you how to do this side and to finish it off. Okay, see you soon guys. Okay guys, so I have my square. I did 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 rows. Okay, so now we are going to do this here. Okay, so we will be working from this side. Okay, so from this side going to this side, or you can do this way as well. Okay, so from there, yeah, going this way. Okay, and then working that way. Okay, so it will be the same, one double crochet it, and then when we got to this middle part here, Okay, so this part here, so this part here, in the last stitch we are going to put 3 double crochet. Okay, so let me start for you guys. So chain 3, 2, 3, so it's the same. Okay, so with mine, so you don't have a lot of space here. With mine is I do this together. Okay, so I don't have much space in there, so it covers up. Okay, or else you can just jump into the next and then stretch it out. Okay, okay, so just put 2 double crochet in each stitch. Okay, so this is our last one. Okay, as I mentioned before, we are going to put 3 double crochet in the same stitch. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and in this side here, because we do have this row is 2 double crochet, so we are going to put 2 double crochet. So 1, and then okay, just see how you go, guys. Okay, so because I don't want to put here, it gives this big gap. We'll see. Maybe not too bad. Okay, so just put 2 double crochet in each row. Okay, so we're getting into the last row. Okay, and this one I'll just put in there. Okay, so it's not too bad. Not too bad. Okay, so from here we're going to do the same thing. Okay, put double crochet. Okay, and okay, and I will meet you guys when I get here. Okay, so promise guys, as I mentioned, okay, when we get here, so what we're doing here is just putting 1 double crochet in each stitch. We don't have any increase anymore. Okay, so we're just going and making 1 double crochet in each stitch. Okay, so you will have that curve that you are looking here. Okay, so do that. Okay, so do how many rows do you need with no increase. Okay, and I will meet you when I finish mine, and I will show you. So as you can see here, so with this one, okay, but this one is maybe more, okay, because that one is I do have Okay, so with this one is 1 2 3 4 5 6 more rows. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so I think we have to make like 7 rows. Okay, so I will confirm that to you guys when I finish it, and I will see you soon. Okay guys, so I did finish my bracket. Okay, so I did 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 rows. Okay, so remember here we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so this side here we have 7, and I added 7 here as well, and we get that. So this side. Okay, and this will go this side. Okay, so this will be in the left side, and this will be the left side. Okay, so I did finish both of them. Okay, and they're very cute. Okay, and hopefully guys you like this video. Please put a thumbs up. It's very easy. Like this video, share, and if you haven't subscribed yet and you wanted to for more videos, please do subscribe, and I will appreciate your help. And enjoy crocheting. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.